Punctures and accidental tyre damage. They can really leave you feeling a bit deflated. Curbed alloys can also hit you hard. That's where tyre and alloy wheel damage cover comes in. It's comprehensive cover that also includes malicious damage. Tyre and alloy wheel insurance could help, as it may pay for the cost of repairs for any tyre damaged maliciously, accidentally, or by a puncture. Furthermore, if a tyre is beyond repair, you may replace your tyre with a like-for-like tyre. Tyre and alloy wheel insurance would also pay for cosmetic repairs resulting from accidental damage to alloy wheels, so you can get your alloys repaired, keeping them in the best possible condition. Keep your tyres and wheels looking as new for years of happy motoring. Talk to one of our dedicated business managers at your nearest dealership today.